Namaste, everyone. Welcome to Aphinya Yoga. I am Aphinya. Welcome to the channel that dedicate to the practice of health and happiness. And if you're new, what an honor that our path crossed today. Many blessings to you and your loved ones. And to my regulars, I love you. I am sending you these abundant thoughts of health, wealth, and happiness. Please remember that your dedication to your health and happiness is very inspiring. Please keep it up. And to my professionals out there who are lucky to be able to work from home, I hope that at some point when you start to feel stagnant and cannot create any more amazing thing and feel like you are so drained and droopy, why don't get out of that chair and that table and put these 7 yoga poses together, and I will guarantee you that it will make you feel a little bit more alive and feel more like you're ready to go back to work and be more creative and be productive all over again. See you on the mat. All right, come down onto your back, please. So come down onto your back and make your leg long and your arms long, okay? Now you can either reach your hands out alongside the ears or interlace your fingers and press your palms away from you. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Lengthen your legs to one direction and your arm to the other and start rocking your hips side to side. Keep doing that, please. Length and relax your jaw. One more breath. Do you know why I asked you to come down to the floor? Now the second pose is windshield wiper. Arms out like wing, palm facing up. Bring your feet close to your hips, hip distance apart, and drop your knees side to side. Because I would love you to give your back muscles a chance to just relax and rest. It holding your trunk upright, for as long as you stand or sitting. So this position will allow those muscles to relax and doesn't have to work any longer. Isn't that cool? And then the next one, bring the arms and the legs up toward the sky. You just shake it out. Shake, 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 shake. You can even do that bubble. Oh, just let it go. Laughing is even better. Okay? Then here, bring your knees together towards your chest. Go arms wide like wing, palm facing up again. We come into the fourth stretching pose. So inhale, open your knees apart. Let's keep moving your knees away. Let them meet and exhale, bring them together toward the chest and repeat. Let's just move this energy that is kind of stay in one place around. Last two. 1, 2, and chin to the other direction, please. Last 2. And 1 and 2. Now bring your knees together toward your chest. Okay. Arms out like wing, palm facing up, and drop your knees side to side. While you are doing that, make sure that your hips is lengthened away from your trunk. So you create space for your spine. Space is necessary for your creativity, for productivity. And when your knees go to the right next time, can you drop them there? You can use your right hand, put a little weight on to your left leg and exhale. Let the body sink deep to the earth beneath you. You can gaze to the left and maybe close your eyes so your gaze can go inward. Last 2 breaths, please. One, two, and other side, please. Let it go. Feel that your body is so heavy with each exhale. So you keep sinking downward toward the earth beneath you. Last breath, please. Right here, inhale and just turn yourself to the left toward where your knees are and roll onto your belly and your chest. Okay? Have your right leg straight, right forearms parallel toward your chest. Rest your forehead on it. Bend your left knee. Hold your left foot with the hand and pull your left foot toward the crown of your head and point your left knees away from you. We stretch the hip flexors right here, the front of the hips. And last 2 breaths. And last one. Other side, please. Switch legs, switch hands, pulling your right foot toward the crown of your head and point your right knee away from you. Remember, length will give you room, and the room is mean you will have possibility to be productive and creative. Last 2 breaths. One. 2. And then you let go. Then from here, extend your left arms out to the left palm facing down. Okay. And start to use your right hand, bring it closer to your chest. And you are going to turn yourself open to the left. You can walk your left hand further, keep your head to the floor, and open your body as far as it can be open. And then your left leg, you can bend at the knee and let the foot rest behind the right leg. And the left hand, you can just let it also rest behind your back and breathe. Stay connected to the floor. Two more breaths. One. Two. Other side, please. The right arms out to the right at your shoulder height, palm facing down, and you turn your body open to the left. And as you turn, keep walking your right hand to the right. Okay, so you make room for the chest to turn open. And then your right leg, your right arms go behind you. Last 2 breaths. One. Two. Roll back onto your belly and your chest. Carefully bring yourself back up to your hands and knees. Step one foot forward. You're going to come up right to your standing. Because you know what? You can check your wrist, your ankles, swing your body side to side. Breathe. And you are all done. Go back to work. See you in the next video, everybody. I hope it helped. Let me know what you think. Go get it. Namaste. If you liked this video and want more of what I have to offer, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends and families. Feel free to leave comments and questions. I also teach online live class every Saturday. Link will be on the description below. And last but not least, if you want to donate to my channel, the link is also there. Thanks so much. See you next time. Namaste.